Hi everybody, thank you so much for taking a second to watch this video. I am Courtney Rogers and I am with ViewSonic. And so one of the things that we're showcasing today at our booth is our interactive flat panels. These are the IFP5550 series. And so what you see right now is actually our myViewBoard Whiteboard software. So this is a software that we offer for all schools that is OS agnostic, that teachers can go ahead and integrate all their different cloud drives and be able to use any of their old curriculum and kind of make it into new. So they have the ability to go ahead and access different things like YouTube, as we're partnered with Google for Education to make sure there's no ads, as well as be able to bring in any sort of file type that they want to. As well as that, we do have a whole management console for our IT folks that makes it so you could do remote desktop, be able to access different things like your Wi-Fi network, digital signage, and alert protocols as well. With that, we also do have our Universe by ViewSonic over here, which is our remote classroom. So being able to, in those small rural areas or maybe those specialized classrooms, make it a little bit more together, even though it's remote. Students can go ahead and make their own avatars, teachers can go ahead and have their own boards and make that classroom experience a little bit more unique, even though they might be a little bit far away. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. I am Courtney Rogers, but check us out at ViewSonic.com, and thank you so much and have a good day.